One day, if like the family or girlfriend, boyfriend or relationship, they violence or domestic violence, is there any dharma like teach them to motivate them not to do that? Because I think this domestic violence is around the world, not only in Cambodia.
I love you so much, and so in order to show you that I love you, I'm gonna hurt you or mistreat you or abuse you. Actually, no one has the right to abuse us. No one has the right to hurt us. Your parents are not allowed to abuse you. Your boyfriend or husband or wife or your teachers, no one is allowed to abuse you. No one has that right, right?
វាយតប់នេះគ្រាន់តែថាអ្នកខ្លះគេថាវាយស្រឡាញ់វាយ
Đâm
ដើម្បី
bay bay giờ lành
វាយស្រឡាញ់វាយដើម្បី
bạch chan phê bay
ហ្នឹង
lên
ហើយវាយអប់រំអញ្ចឹងវាយដើម្បីឲ្យដឹងវាយដើម្បីអញ្ចឹងទៅ
bong bay ôn pro
ហ្នឹង
bong
ហើយ
lành
បងវាយអូនព្រោះបងស្រឡាញ់អូនមិនចង់ឲ្យអូនខូចបន្តទៀតអីចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែព្រះអង្គបានបញ្ជាក់ថាមនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីវាយគ្នាទេគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីអ្នកគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីទៅវាយអ្នកដតីព្រោះគាត់ថាជារឿងបែបនេះហ្នឹងហើយដោយក្តីស្រឡាញ់តែនោះទេ
sometimes we do not use physical body, we do not use speech, but we use social media,
social media
right? Like this comment, hurtful comment and some. So you have no right to hurt the other people by many way, by any way, not only verbal or physical. Facebook shows or comment something like this, right? Chris, I have one question because have you experienced like you are angry with your partner or what?
Yes.
What should you do? I mean, good point.
Right,
What
yeah.
can you share? Like for example, you are angry. Or
Yes,
example, can you share? បងប្អូនខ្ញុំសួរគាត់គាត់មានដៃគូហើយអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាពេលដែលគាត់ខឹងដៃគូទៅគាត់ធ្វើមិនអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូន How can you deal with that?
Yeah, you know what? First, I'll start with I'm very lucky because my wife is.
Last question, Pante. Nowadays, according to the real life, this is the couple life. I think is it a proper question? Like asking about like girlfriend, boyfriend, or somebody get married,
relationships.
relationship,
Yeah.
and is it
Yeah.
possible?
Yeah,
Right? Okay.
yes.
Pante, if like the family or girlfriend, boyfriend, or relationship, they violence or domestic violence, is there any dharma like teach them to motivate them not to do that? Because I think this domestic violence is around the world, not only in Cambodia. So what can we do for that? Is there any teachings of the Buddha?
Yeah, so the primary teaching of the Buddha is non-violence all the time. No violence under any circumstance, right? There's no justified violence. There's no such thing as I love you so much, and so in order to show you that I love you, I'm gonna hurt you or mistreat you or abuse you. Actually, no one has the right to abuse us. No one has the right to hurt us. Your parents are not allowed to abuse you. Your boyfriend or husband or wife or your teachers, no one is allowed to abuse you. No one has that right, right? Even, we have to be very, very careful sometimes because society tells us that it's okay for this person to hit you because they love you. That's how they express their feelings of love. But actually, if someone's abusing you, you have to actually finish the relationship. That's the truth about it. There's a lot of pressure in society to keep people together, but that's wrong, actually. There's a lot of things in society that are wrong. Society tells us to do drugs. Society tells us to be selfish. Society tells us to hoard a lot of things like money and possessions. All those things are actually wrong, but society teaches us. Society teaches us to go to war and kill people. So just because society says to do something doesn't mean that it's right. It just means that everyone is agreeing to do wrong things. So to stay in an abusive relationship is wrong. Yeah. Sometimes maybe in the beginning you just need to assert yourself and say, no, this is enough. Enough is enough. Other times maybe you have to leave and completely end the relationship. And if things are very dangerous, maybe you need to talk to the authorities, right? Court or police or someone to help you or your friends. We shouldn't be scared to do the right thing, right? Even though there's a lot of pressure from society, especially for couples, they tell the women, right? Like, oh, don't get divorced or don't do this. And the husband's beating her all the time. That's easy for them to say because they're not the ones getting hit, right?
Yes.
That's very easy for them to say. But if someone's abusing you and your children are seeing that, your children are also learning to abuse other people too. So in the future, they're going to also hit their partners. So maybe you don't have the bravery to do it for yourself as a woman or as a partner, but think about the people who are watching. If you allow yourself to get abused, everyone around you thinks like, oh, this is the right thing to do, right? So the next generation will also learn that. We need to stop this like generational trauma and say no. We have to learn to say no. And I know it's more difficult in Asian culture to say no, right? Everything, yes, can I do for you? Yes, 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 because more like group thinking, community, right? Interconnectedness. But not all interconnectedness is good. Sometimes interconnectedness can be very bad, right? There's some people who abuse the system, right? It's supposed to be a beautiful system of everyone helping each other. But some people take advantage of the system to hurt others, and we have to be able to say no. But it's very clear in the teachings of the Buddha that there is no violence, verbal or physical. Nothing at all. Under any circumstances, no one is allowed to hurt you. So we have to remember this, that no one has the right to hurt us, not even us. We don't have the right to hurt ourselves either, right? Because all beings want happiness. All beings want to be healthy and secure. So sometimes, I know it's very difficult and it's scary to tell this and assert yourself and do what you need to do. But that's part of the teachings of the Buddha, that we need to do what's difficult, like studying, right? And going to work. These things are difficult. Also, standing up against people who are abusing us is scary and it's difficult and there's a lot of pressure, but we need to do the difficult things. We need to do the hard things, if not for ourselves, to change the society and to help the future.
ចឹងថ្មសូមបញ្ជាក់ពីសំណួរហ្នឹងបងចង់សួរពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងបញ្ហាដៃគូអំពើហិង្សានៅក្នុងគ្រួសារវាកើតឡើងចំពោះដៃគូប្រុសស្រីប្តីប្រពន្ធអញ្ចឹងប៉ុណ្ណាហ្នឹងហើយបញ្ហានេះដូចបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបានដឹងថាបញ្ហានេះវាកើតឡើងសឹងថារាល់ថ្ងៃរាល់ពេលហើយនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់យើងហើយមិនត្រឹមតែប្រទេសយើងទេមានប្រទេសមួយចំនួនច្រើនដែលនៅតែមានបញ្ហារវាងប្តីប្រពន្ធសង្សារនឹងដែលត្រូវឆ្លោះគ្នាវាយតប់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយមានប្រាំអំពើហិង្សាទាំងផ្លូវកាយទាំងផ្លូវវិចារផ្លូវចិត្តអីផងដែរអញ្ចឹងមានបញ្ហាច្រើនណាស់ហើយសួរទៅព្រះអង្គលោកថាលោកបានបញ្ជាក់អំពីបញ្ហាដៃគូនេះបើយើងនិយាយទៅថាព្រះសម្មាសម្ពុទ្ធព្រះអង្គសម្ដែងអ្វីដែលព្រះអង្គបានសម្ដែងបញ្ជាក់ឲ្យព្រះអង្គបានសម្ដែងអំពីពធហ្នឹងណាពធរបស់ព្រះអង្គហ្នឹងគឺថាធម៌អហិង្សាហ្នឹងជាសំខាន់ធម៌អហិង្សាមិនវាយដំទាត់ធាក់មិនសម្រាប់អ្នកដតីមិនប៉ះពាល់ជីវិតអ្នកដតីឬក៏មិនទៅប្រព្រឹត្តកាយកម្មកាយទុច្ចរិតទៅលើអ្នកដតីហ្នឹងគឺមានក្នុងកុសលកម្មបទអកុសលកម្មបទហ្នឹងគឺព្រះអង្គបានបង្រៀនអញ្ចឹងទៅគឺធ្វើឲ្យយើងដឹងថាមានការប្រព្រឹត្តអំពើមិនវាយតប់នេះជាខាងដើមបាត់ហើយអញ្ចឹងជាខាងដើមបាត់ហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាទោះបីជាយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាដឹងថាការវាយតប់នេះគ្រាន់តែថាអ្នកខ្លះគេថាវាយស្រឡាញ់វាយដើម្បីវាយស្រឡាញ់វាយដើម្បី
ចាន់ពេកវាយលេង
ហ្នឹងហើយវាយអប់រំអញ្ចឹងវាយដើម្បីឲ្យដឹងវាយដើម្បីអញ្ចឹងទៅ
បងវាយអូនព្រោះបងស្រឡាញ់
បងវាយអូនព្រោះបងស្រឡាញ់អូនមិនចង់ឲ្យអូនខូចបន្តទៀតអីចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែព្រះអង្គបានបញ្ជាក់ថាមនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីវាយគ្នាទេគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីអ្នកគ្មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីទៅវាយអ្នកដតីព្រោះគាត់ថាជារឿងបែបនេះហ្នឹងហើយដោយក្តីស្រឡាញ់តែនឹងទេដោយសារតែមនុស្សយើងច្រើនតែសង្គមយើងច្រើនតែបានផ្ដល់នៅព័ត៌មានទាំងអស់នោះផ្ដល់នៅទិសដៅទាំងអស់នោះថារឿងនេះវាជារឿងល្អរឿងត្រឹមត្រូវហើយយើងក៏ធ្វើទៅដូចជាសង្គមផ្សព្វផ្សាយអំពីស្រាបៀរផ្សព្វផ្សាយអំពីគ្រឿងញៀនអីផ្សេងៗអញ្ចឹងទៅពីមួយភូមិទៅមួយភូមិអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយមនុស្សក៏ប្រព្រឹត្តអំពើបែបហ្នឹងទៅហើយយើងគិតថាវាត្រឹមត្រូវតែមិនមែនត្រឹមត្រូវទេឬក៏ថាសង្គមហ្នឹងបានបង្រៀនអំពីអីមួយហើយយើងគិតថាវាខុសដូចសង្គ្រាមអីចឹងការផលិតអាវុធអីផ្សេងៗយើងគិតថាវាត្រឹមត្រូវប៉ុន្តែបើតាមទៀតពិតទៅគឺដូចជាមិនត្រឹមត្រូវអញ្ចឹងទៅហ្នឹងហើយព្រោះមានការកាប់សម្លាប់អីចឹងហ្នឹងហើយប៉ុន្តែបើយើងគិតតាមធម៌ប៉ុណ្ណានឹងផលិតរបស់ហ្នឹងមិនដឹងមានការកាប់សម្លាប់អញ្ចឹងយើងគ្មានសិទ្ធិទេយើងអត់មានសិទ្ធិដើម្បីទៅធ្វើបាបអ្នកដតីទៅប្រើអំពើហិង្សាទៅលើអ្នកដតីទេនេះសម្រាប់ព្រះអង្គបានបញ្ជាក់ច្រើនប៉ុន្តែស្មារតីសូមបញ្ជាក់ពីគំនិតខាងដើមខាងលើប្រហែលជាព្រះអង្គមិនដែលបានសូវយល់ច្បាស់អំពីបរិបទសង្គមខ្មែរយើងដឹងហើយថាជនជាតិអាស៊ីយើងចូលចិត្តប្រើអំពើហិង្សាហ្នឹងជាញឹកញយណាហ្នឹងហើយដល់ហើយទៅសំបីតែនៅក្នុងសង្គមសង្ឃក៏លោកប្រើអញ្ញាហ្នឹងជានេះដែរអញ្ចឹងទៅយើងអត់អាចទៅដើម្បីកាត់ផ្ដាច់បានទេព្រោះព្រះអង្គថាបើសិនបើមានរឿងនឹងកើតឡើងយើងទៅប៉ូលីសក៏ដូចជាយើងចេញពីកន្លែងហ្នឹងទៅយើង leave យើង end យើងបញ្ចប់វាទៅប៉ុន្តែសូមចាំថាចំណងមេត្រីភាពចំណងមិត្តភាពចំណងសម្ព័ន្ធភាពដែលយើងមានជាមួយគ្នាហ្នឹងរឿងតិចតួចដែលកើតឡើងក្នុងជីវិតរបស់យើងរៀនចេះកែប្រែវាកុំបន្តធ្វើវាតទៅទៀតឧទាហរណ៍ថាបើយើងមានអំពើហិង្សាម្ដងយើងសូមចងចាំអំពើការជឿចាប់នោះការវាយដំទាត់ធាក់នោះទុកថាជាវបដិសារីរបស់យើងហើយយើងកុំធ្វើវាបន្តទៀតទៅអានេះយើងកុំឲ្យយើងតិចបែកចឹងស្មាចង់ឲ្យយើងមានខន្តីធម៌យើងចេះស្រឡាញ់គ្នាឡើងវិញចេះអាណិតគ្នាស្រឡាញ់គ្នាដោយមេត្តាធម៌ណាកុំស្រឡាញ់គ្នាដោយអីផ្សេងពេលដែលយើងស្រឡាញ់គ្នាដោយមេត្តាធម៌ដូចយើងស្រឡាញ់កូនយើងអត់ហ៊ានលើកដៃវាយកូនង៉ែតកូនតូចហ្នឹងហើយយើងវាយយើងឈឺខ្លួនឯងវិញអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវចេះមេត្តាធម៌ជាមួយគ្នាបែបនោះស្មាគិតថាយើងអាចរស់នៅជាមួយគ្នាបាននេះក្នុងសង្គមកម្ពុជារបស់យើងប៉ុណ្ណាទៅចាំថាមនុស្សយើងកើតមកលើផែនដីនេះវាមានភាពខុសគ្នាទាំងអស់មានទាំងខុសគ្នាពណ៌សម្បុរស្បែកមុខមាត់ចំណេះដឹងកម្ពស់កម្ពស់ជនជាតិសាសន៍ផ្សេងៗគ្នាប៉ុន្តែរឿងពីរដែលមនុស្សយើងត្រូវការដូចគ្នាដែលយើងមានដូចគ្នានោះគឺថាយើងចង់បានសេចក្តីសុខហើយយើងអត់ចង់បានសេចក្តីទុក្ខដូចគ្នាភាពឈឺចាប់អីហ្នឹងយើងអត់ចង់បានដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងបើសិនបើយើងធ្វើទៅលើគេយើងចេះគិតមកលើខ្លួនឯងថាពេលដែលគេវាយយើងវិញអញ្ចឹងតើយើងមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវចេះឆ្លោះបញ្ចាំងខ្លួនឯងអញ្ចឹងទៅអាត្មាគិតថាយើងនឹងអាចរកផ្លូវមួយមកសម្របសម្រួលនៅជាមួយគ្នាជាដរាបទៅមុខបានហើយពីព្រោះរឿងអីដែលថានៅជាមួយគ្នាហើយមិនមានការឆ្លោះគ្នានោះមិនមានការប៉ះគ្នាតិចតួចនោះក៏ប៉ុន្តែយើងត្រូវចេះសម្របសម្រួលមកជាមួយគ្នាវិញអាត្មាមិននិយាយពីបញ្ហាធ្ងន់ធ្ងរទេណាបញ្ហាធ្ងន់ធ្ងររហូតដល់ធំមែនទែនបែកបាក់គ្នាអានឹងអាត្មាមិននិយាយទេអានឹងយើងពិចារណាតាមការគួរទៅបើបញ្ហានោះរហូតទៅដល់ផ្លូវច្បាប់ធំយើងមិនទៅសម្របសម្រួលកើតពេលខ្លះប៉ុន្តែចង់និយាយថាបញ្ហាតូចតាចអ្នកខ្លះបញ្ហាតូចអាចបែកគ្នានឹងអាចធ្វើឲ្យល្អកកជាមួយគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវចេះរួមមកគ្នាណាកុំឆាប់ឆេវឆាវបែកបាក់គ្នាហើយកុំឆាប់ឆេវឆាវវាយតប់គ្នាដែរអ្វីដែលល្អនោះគឺថាស្រឡាញ់គ្នាដោយមេត្តាធម៌ដោយក្តីស្រឡាញ់ចេញពីបេះដូងរបស់យើងមិនចង់ឲ្យអ្នកដែលយើងស្រឡាញ់នោះគាត់ឈឺចាប់តែប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅគឺលែងសូវមានបញ្ហាហើយប៉ុណ្ណឹងទេ
កណ្ដាលចាប់ចំណុចសំខាន់របស់ព្រះអង្គ you have I got the point like non-violence Dharma you have no right to hurt the other people the other people have no right to hurt you like physical and verbal action so for example you have no right to hurt me but I have right to hurt you no so you and me we have no right to hurt like verbal and physical action this is very important but nowadays sometimes we do not use physical body we do not use speech but we use social media right like this comment hurtful comment and some so you have no right to hurt the other people by many way by any way not only verbal or physical Facebook shows or comment something like this very important Chris I have one question because you have have you experienced like you are angry with your partner or what
yes.
What should you do? I mean, good point.
Right.
What can you share? Like, for example, you are angry. Or example, can you share? បងប្អូនខ្ញុំសួរគាត់មានដៃគូហើយអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាពេលដែលគាត់ខឹងដៃគូទៅគាត់ធ្វើមិនអញ្ចឹង How can you deal with that?
Yeah, you know what? First, I'll start with I'm very lucky because my wife is a relationship coach. So she actually teaches people how to have a healthy relationship. So I'm very lucky.
I asked the wrong person.
Right.
Just kidding.
But what my wife, what the relationship we have is very safe because we accept that we will be angry sometimes. You know, it's not about never being angry because sometimes we are angry and sometimes we try our best, but we might say something hurtful. And what happens is we give each other some space and what happens is, we try not to also get angry on top of that. You know, we don't react with more anger, and the other person reacts with even more anger, and it gets worse and worse and worse. So sometimes I will get angry, and I'll say something that is hurtful, and then she will give some space. There will be some silence. You know, and like she doesn't just react right away. And then she gives me some time to kind of cool down. And I also try to cool down because I realize that I said something hurtful. And then she will be honest with me. Like what Bante said earlier about saying no. You know, she will hold that boundary. She will say in a very calm way that, hey, what you said really hurt me. You know, she will say that to me. And then also, I have to practice again not to get angry at that. You know, I can't defend myself. I have to listen to her. Like, oh, okay. I'm sorry. You know, I have to learn how to apologize. So we give each other that space where we try not to react and get even angrier. And then we try to talk about it in a very calm way. And then in the end, you know, I can see very clearly what I've done. And we make peace. So it doesn't get worse. You know, so we always try to practice this process. Yeah.
ហ្នឹងហើយបងប្អូនខ្ញុំកណាប្រែចឹងណាបង
បង
Chris គាត់ខ្ញុំសួរតាក់ទងថា បើគាត់មានដៃគូហើយទៅពេលគាត់ខឹងដៃគូធ្វើម៉េចទេបងអញ្ចឹងវាចៃដន្យហើយប្រពន្ធដៃគូរបស់គាត់គឺជាគ្រូបង្រៀននៃតំណែងតំណងអញ្ចឹងតំណែងតំណងល្អអាក្រក់គេចេះដឹងរបស់គេណា Lucky man ហើយអញ្ចឹងគាត់មិនមែនថាគាត់អត់ចេះខឹងទេគាត់ថាធ្លាប់ពេលដល់ពេលដែលគាត់ខឹងគាត់ use bad words hurtful words sometimes ពាក្យសម្ដីខ្លះធ្វើឲ្យដៃគូជឿចាក់ក៏ប៉ុន្តែនៅពេលណាដែលយើងខឹងគ្នាក្នុងនាមជាដៃគូជីវិតណាចាប់គ្នាជាដៃគូហើយអញ្ចឹងត្រូវឲ្យ space តិចឧទាហរណ៍ថាគាត់ខឹងទៅដៃគូរបស់គាត់អត់មានទល់ល្មុងល្មាំងទេអញ្ចឹងគាត់ដកថយបន្តិចអត់និយាយទៅឲ្យគាត់ cool down ទៅជាបន្តិចទៅអាមនុស្សអញ្ចឹងបើតើគាត់កំពុងតែខឹងហើយអានេះមកថែមទៀតហ្នឹងហើយបងឯងមិនលួងអូនអូនមិនលួងបងមិនលួងអូនទៅកាន់ដូចគេហៅថាចាក់ប្រេងឲ្យភ្លើងរឹតទៅខឹងទៀតអញ្ចឹងដំណោះស្រាយដ៏ល្អដែលគាត់ធ្វើហ្នឹងគឺថាដកឃ្លីឧទាហរណ៍ថាខាងស្រីខឹងខាងប្រុសទៅដកឃ្លីមួយរយៈសិនហើយ cool ដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់ cool down ភ្លើងមកកាន់តែក្តៅហើយមួយទៀតយើងរៀននិយាយពាក្យhow to say no too បានន័យថាឲ្យគាត់តិចចិត្តដែរយើងនិយាយពីចំណុចមួយទៅអូនឯងនិយាយចឹងអត់ល្អទេសម្ដីរបស់បងឯងធ្វើអូនឈឺចាប់តែអូនអត់ពេលបងឯងពងខឹងអូនអត់និយាយទេអញ្ចឹងពេលដែលគាត់តិចចិត្តដែរក៏និយាយពីចំណុចអវិជ្ជមានអញ្ចឹងគាត់អូតូបានន័យថាយើងអូតូដល់អញខុសមែនយើងកែមក So last one, all of three of you question, what do you do when you are sad? But Pante, now maybe better, but before when you, in the past, not yet become a monk or right now?